Well, yes, I guess so. I can get the coffee. Someone said they reached way today. That they're like, I'm fine. It's never lied to me. Ever gave I'm paid. Don't wait, have I? Look at the start.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Brussels. The local time here is 6:26 in the evening. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you reach a designated smoking area.
Yeah, you know, yeah. Nobody had been not really anything.
Cabin for your doors to manually close.
Yeah. I should have got more attention now, shouldn't you? Game, alright? We got a kid. What's up, oh, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, one final word from the flight deck. Well, welcome to Brussels.
So just ahead of our scheduled time of arrival, and there is no bridge, just make its way to the front left-hand door. So very shortly you will be able to